shit. Push Ronnie in there. Where the hell is he? Holy, what the hell is he doing up there?
Where? No, where?
He's over there.
Well, go in.
It's not gonna kill him.
How the fuck are we gonna catch that?
How the hell did he get up there?
Holy shit, all over the place.
How did he get up there?
Walk?
Look at the turkey.
Turkey.
Oh, I saw it.
Is he frozen?
Eat me. Hey, whore. Hey, whore. Hey, Chunky. Hey, Chunky.
Hey, Ryan, gobble, gobble.
Gobble, gobble.
How the fuck do we grab it over here?
Oh. No.
Yeah, look. There's a Reebok print. So we just got
Get-
Reebok.
get it.
Yeah. Fuck your pucker.
Ron is sleeping.
Run, whack it.
Give it a good shot. That's it, Ron. You want me to be
Fucker's heavy, man.
Run, hit on the head. Hit on the head. What the?
Oh, that was good.
Noise. We doing all I can.
Yeah, I got you.
Go stop in the shit.
Yeah.
Look out!
Come on, Ron, you pucker.
What are you trying to do? Oh, fuck it. I don't know how you got it.
Go ahead, Ken, you go
Oh,
first.
he's crying.
Aw.
Ken, you
What?
crying.
Talking. Turkey talk.
Let's go in your motherfucker.
Let's talk turkey, huh?
Alright, come on. Just get down.
What is it, dumb
Fuck
joke
you.
day?
One of us has got to pick him up, put him in the box. None of us are going to do it. I can box over him.
Oh, is that funny?
Oh, come on.
They just...
Get pick off like you're a turkey.
Get out of here.
Watch the shit.
You might.
Is that the box he gave you?
That's the box he gave us.
And you can't, did you just cover the box up? When you
Get him, Ken. Get him.
Are you trying to take
Ken.
the butcher
What
now?
are you doing? Just back him in there. He won't hurt you.
Yeah.
Look at the back of his neck.
Come on, you gonna make me walk?
Man, don't chase him after me.
Put him on your
Grab him by the man. He's out in the alley.
Attack the killer turkeys.
Oh, is he going to attack me?
Get him! Yeah! Sir Galleon Kenny.
Pick him up. Just pick him up, Kenny.
Hey, man, get over and throw him this way.
That's a shitty box you got there. Yeah, I'll be stopping. It's going to peck my balls off.
Very much to peck.
Oh, gee, bad joke day again.
We're sending to Phil's house. He's going here. Open your
no
gate.
thanks. We got nothing
Open
in
your
there.
gate.
Gotta get a better angle on this. Oh, oh!
What's that gonna do?
Hey,
You gotta have him upside down.
Here, boy.
You gotta get in front of him.
No, you need a bigger box. We do. You got a bigger box?
Do you have any boxes?
All right, you won't get too much.
No.
Suffocate the thing. Yeah, that's a
Killer Ken going after the turkey.
Just whack in the head.
No, get in the box. I'll walk right into the box. Or just whack him, yeah?
Hey, just knock him out. He's gonna get killed in 10 minutes anyway.
Oh, no. This is a farm.
No livestock.
really rusty.
Oh, no.
Here's the interested neighbor.
How come he got away? Who's this then?
We want him.
You want him? Oh,
Get a
man.
big box. Go get a box, man. What, zero?
So we don't have any boxes.
He got no
No.
shoes on. Hey, Ryan.
Ron, let me go.
Ron, try to capture that thing, Ron. Quit it.
The left wing, that means...
Come on, fatty.
Get him, Ron.
Get him, Ronnie. Tackle him.
No, he's gonna
Briggs,
get
you use the
walk
broom
right
to
in the box.
control him. You guys, this is gonna be good. Get him!
I don't believe these three guys are trying to get this bird in the box.
Get him!
Oh,
Get him! He's hauling ass out of here. Briggs, give him one good whack to the head.
Alright.
Hey, don't
Go
go in
in
that
there.
garage.
Oh shit!
God, easy. Get him, get him, get
Come
him.
on, man!
You tell me to get him. Throw the ball down.
Holy
Just
shit!
run him to the bird.
Yeah, come on.
Let's hit him with a piece of wood.
Yeah, Ron.
Get him, Ronnie! Get him, Ron! Get him, Ron!
You guys should.
Shit!
Oh, he's in the...
Get him! Come on, Ron! You gotta get him now. Don't. Get him out!
Oh, shit. Come booking after us.
Come guys, right?
They run in after the turkey and the three of them come running out.
Oh, that is going to be pretty funny.
You guys, I wish I had the elm leaves here. Let me go call them.
We're gonna let it go in the circle.
Bring it to the cops.
Ron, get closer.
You don't have a box, huh?
No, we don't. Frank don't want to grab it.
Here, this is gonna be. Hang on, things. It's filming, so look at us. You put your hand through here. Where? So it's filming.
I wonder if it's some sound. Here we are with the turkey festival. It's insane.
Get him, Ron.
Oh!
And these guys aren't very good.
These are macho men, huh?
I'm holding him. Where the hell were you? Would you get over here?
Is there a zoom on here?
Oh, God. He's going to crack him with the king.
What is the street?
Now I feel sorry for him.
You're gonna kill him anyway.
We got him upside down.
They have him upside down. They don't know what to do.
Yeah. Good job, Frank. He fly after us.
Here they come. They got him in the box. The bottom of the box is gonna fall out now.
It is. Look at it.
Chasing us?
No, don't do that.
Ken?
It is recorded.
He's in that box right there.
Top will come down, tighten up.
Look at Ronnie. Ronnie taking charge.
Let's paint. Oh, let's put a stripe on him or something. Oh, we.
Look at the asshole wants to put a
Somebody hold a
stripe
stripe
on him.
on him.
What color?
Who cares?
Come on, Ron, open the box.
We
Let's see
don't
this
have too
turkey.
much. He needs
Ron.
paint.
Open the box. Dude, don't be a wuss. Use your hands. There he is.
Frank, you guys
Is he
break
getting out? Yeah, we do. Let's get a look at a dumb joke. Here, go, Ron. Tell us a dumb joke.
Much too much.
All right, come. Somebody pull the top down while you carry it over.
There he goes. He's going to his death.
Oh, is he peeking his head out?
Is it-
Get the fuck. Yeah, we're pretty brave now. It's in the box. Yeah, get the fuck.
Come on.
Look at all these stupid people in here. It really stinks.
Yeah, magazine.
Fine, you interview him.
And here we are at the butcher shop.
Oh, does this smell
Frank
good?
and Kenny carrying the box, and it smells really nice right now. Yeah.
Oh, does this smell good?
Holy gag me.
Oh my god.
Ken, how does it smell right now?
It was like you.
Get
a good whiff of yourself. That's what it is.
Get out of here. How's our turkey doing? Let me see if I can get some shots here.
A lot of turkeys. A lot of turkeys.
Go get him, big guy.
Oh.
Get a film in it, guys.
Oh.
Excuse me. That's not allowed.
Can you kill our turkey?
Oh.
We had, see, we won it. We filmed when we won it. We filmed trying to catch it. No, we got a turkey. She said,
You just come through the back.
He just told us to come through the back.
No, but I mean, go through the front now.
I-
See,
got a
none
wand
of
up
that
here.
can be
all right.
on film,
All right.
okay?
We're all
It's not allowed.
You got burned, no fine.
You don't have to walk.
Right there. Used to be like, see that? It was in
my
his
garage.
We were chasing it, and now it is 13¼ pounds of dead.
Now it's 5 pounds lighter.
That is a dead fucking turkey. There you go. There you go. 2 hours ago, we were chasing this thing. And
You don't have to walk up to it, you geek.
Easy. You want to take it home?
I want to take close up.
Yeah, but you don't walk up to it.
Kind of just like fuzzy.
Yeah.
Well, feel he's nice and hot too.
Oh, he gives me wood.
Ken's got wood.
Who took the feathers out?
There's a turkey being soaked.
Get inside.
Ken like stuck his hand up it.
Right in there. Ron, you're so close. You don't have to walk up to get close. See what this does, Ron?
What? Wow.
See?
Hey. Well, I don't know what's there.
Them 2 fingers you got right there. Go the other way now. Yeah, see?
Wow, man, talk about sloppy seconds.
Oh, man. Come on, Briggs, just put your wiener in it.